They were in their apartment when a creepy-looking guy knocked on their door claiming he came to check for errors, but they never reported any problems, so they did the smartest thing and told him to leave, then immediately rushed to the elevator to get out of the building. But here's the disturbing part. While waiting for the elevator, the strange man appeared again in the hallway, making weird faces and staring at them without blinking. The elevator finally arrived and they got in, but before the doors could close, the man slipped inside with them. He stood in the corner silently for exactly 67 seconds while they rode down. Then, at the lobby, he suddenly got out and disappeared. They thought they were safe and went back upstairs to their apartment. When they opened the door, they froze. Things were moved around. Her closet was open when they always kept it locked. They checked the security footage on their phones, and that's when they saw him. While they were in the elevator, the man had somehow gotten back into their apartment, and when they looked up from the phone toward the closet, they realized he was still inside.